Hi all, I am very happy to say that the spoken English class which is provided by Ignite Academy helps me a lot to improve my English speaking skill. And the last 1 week sessions, that means the live classes, was very good, mm, very good, and through the through that sessions I got confidence to speak and communicate with English language. The last 3 classes provided by Ignite Academy with a non-Malayali trainer is also very good classes and sessions, which gave me very confidence to talk and communicate with English. Through these classes, I got very much confidence. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much, Ignite Academy.